guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of this plastic wrap that I got gifted by the brand. In today's video, I'm just going to talk about some of the things I like about this food plastic wrap and show you the quality of it. So I've been using this for a while now in my kitchen, and I'm gonna tell you that this is the only plastic wrap that we're gonna be using from now on. It's amazing. The quality, it's very thick, you know, very easy to use. I love how they have this little cutter right here. Let me show you really quick how easy it is to cut this. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. I can. And there you go. You can just cut it and voila, you can put this over pretty much anything. This is microwave safe, which some of these are not. Love that you can microwave this. This is also BPA free. You don't have to worry about that. And you have here 750 square feet. So you have a lot of plastic wrap, but you're gonna be using this for a while. So very worth the money. And yeah, very good quality. I highly recommend this brand. You guys should definitely check it out. Like I said, this plastic wrap is very strong, so you're not gonna have a hard time when you're trying to put this over your food and the plastic just splits. It's not going to happen. You can also refrigerate it. You can, like I said, you can use this pretty much anywhere. I love it, highly recommend it. If you're thinking about getting this, you should definitely look into it.